In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at how you can unlink or disconnect audio from video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So I have my clip here, which has audio and video, and they are linked together. So if I move them, they all move at the same time. Now there are two options which I can use to disconnect these from each other. First, selecting this one and going on top of here, and then clicking the linked selection icon. Now when I select my video, I can move it separately from my audio. If I want to link them again, I just select both of them and then click this icon again, and now they're linked again. The second option I have is selecting the clip and then right-clicking, and then right-click, I can choose Unlink. So as you can see now, my selection already changes and I have unlinked my video from my audio. Same here, select the things you want to link. If they're unlinked, right-click and then choose Link. And now they're linked together again. You can also see that I moved my video further from my audio, and it says so here, I added 7 seconds. But that's how you can link and unlink video from audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.